This is Moston Station. Not a great deal going on here, but they get some reasonable services. You can get to Clitheroe, you can get to Rochdale, Manchester Victoria, Bolton. So yeah, not bad. This way the line goes to Rochdale and back this way to Victoria. This is Mills Hill Station.
Doors opening, lift going up.
It's quite a view from the bridge. It's funny to think that you've got the lift on the other side, but for the Manchester bound trains, you're going up this big old ramp. Now surely a lift would take up less space, wouldn't you think? So we've just done this bit of the ramp, and then there's all this to do, and you've not even got to the train station yet. Another ramp. Does this make any sense to you?
No, it doesn't.
And we're still not at the station yet. Is this protected land, maybe? Oh, ticket machine. And just got my steps in.